Run Come Along. Marcia introduces her 3-hour sale on all her sheet sets, and this is in honor of Martin Luther King. She also spoke about the white light that appeared in one of her videos recently, and she speaks about Martin Luther King and his braveness. Continue watching.
So much goes into who I am. HIV medicine is one part of it. Dovato is for some adults who are starting HIV or replacing their current HIV-1 regimen, which is 2 medicines in 1 pill. Dovato is as effective as a 3-drug regimen to help you reach and stay undetectable.
I just love my afro here. Yes, man, representing Black history. I just love my afro here. Yes, man, representing Black History Month.
Taking Dovato with the Pedalite can cause serious or life-threatening side effects. Hepatitis B can become harder to treat while on Dovato. Don't stop Dovato without talking to your doctor, as your hepatitis B may worsen or become life-threatening. Serious or life-threatening side effects can occur, including allergic reactions, lactic acid buildup, and liver problems. If you have a rash and other symptoms of an allergic reaction, stop Dovato and get medical help right away. Tell your doctor if you have kidney or liver problems, or if you are, may be, or plan to be pregnant. Dovato may harm your unborn baby.
I'm writing something.
While on Dovato, do not breastfeed while taking Dovato. Most common side effects are headache, nausea, diarrhea, trouble sleeping.
You're not going about your business.
Anxiety. So much goes into who I am and hope to be. Ask your doctor if treating HIV with Dovato is right for you.
Ready to turn your dreams into plans and your actions into achievements? Explore over 75 programs in 4-week classes at National University. Feature starts today at nu.edu.
The cold season is back.
Hello, people. Hello. Yes, I know you guys saw me this morning. But you know, it's Martin Luther King Day. And you know, we have to heal up the general in the house. Yes. Even though he passed and gone, but him leave a legacy behind. From generation to generation. We will never forget. Yes. You know, so every year me used to do a Martin Luther King special. I will do it later. Yes. Me now I'll have a little sketch and stuff with my cousin, but she's not here.
May I beg enough to subscribe now? Share, like, and comment on the video.
So later on I will do a Martin Luther King special. But I will be doing a Martin Luther King special. Yes, it's a special. I'm doing a special for 3 hours. 3 hours only. You know, when we think about what we can do on Black History, then Black History Month is in February. But you have to start from Martin Luther King Day. We have to start. And for 3 hours, listen carefully, for 3 hours only, for Martin Luther King Day, because of what he has done with the rest of freedom fighters. Because he paved the way for us, but he's not. Without him and the other rest of black people, them freedom fighters, Underground Railroad and those people, and even some white man, because we must understand that we had help from white people. So now all white people bad. In those days, remember say white people they control the railroad. And all of them did wicked to us. So we must remember that. And everybody wicked to us. Back in them days, there was connections with the Underground Railroad and all kind of things. And white people help us too. We must remember that. But it's not about that. We're going to big up Martin Luther King Day and the rest of freedom fighters. And celebrate. So for 3 hours, I will having a special. For 3 hours only, for special, 3 hours only. All size sheets I'm giving for $25. So if you want king and full, King and Queen, it is for $25 for 3 hours only. 3 hours only. That is a special. Starting from 1 o'clock, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. 4 o'clock is special over. So from 1 to 4, 1 to 2, 1 hour, 2 to 3, 4 hours. Yes, the special is on in the honor of Martin Luther King Day. That's what I'm doing. Because you know what? We have to find some sort of way to give back to society in some sort of way and to celebrate. And that is my celebration today.